This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great having you join me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on 4 melodies together that are written in tablature notation, as that is the focus of this lesson series. As we're playing these melodies, we'll of course be playing them over top the backing track that I've created. So it's going to be a jam and good time. You, me, and the band are going to play 4 songs together, and it's going to be great. Right now, with these melodies, we're standing on the top 4 strings of the guitar and in open position, also known as first position. So we use the open strings, then our index plays the notes in the 1st fret, middle plays the notes in the 2nd fret, ring plays the notes in the 3rd fret, and pinky plays the notes in the 4th fret. As we've been playing so many melodies at this point in the lesson series, the tempos are also going a little bit faster and are a little bit more challenging with some of the rhythms on some of these songs that we're playing. But it's going to be great. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to be on pages 70, 71, and 72. We'll be playing songs 94 through 97. We'll just go in order, starting there with song number 94. Each one is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo, and then a faster tempo. So just like normal, we'll just be playing these songs in that way. And as I always say, if you're struggling to keep up with the slower tempo, then you want to pause the video, work on the parts that are hard for you. Just repeat them over and over, get them down, get them under your fingers, and then try playing right along with me again. With song number 96, we have a fermata. So when you come to the note that has a symbol over top of it that looks like the one I have up here on the board, sort of like a bullseye without the bottom part of the arch there, so that dot with a little arch over the top. Or it could be flipped upside down and have the dot with an arch underneath, either way. But you get this fermata. What that means is we're going to hold that note longer than its actual rhythmic value. If you're playing solo guitar, you just choose how long you want to pause on that note. Or if you're playing in an ensemble where there's a conductor, they'll indicate how long we're going to hold that note before we go on. Because we're playing with these band tracks, we're jamming together in these real settings. That what will happen when you run into this is that it's going to add an extra measure. So you have one whole extra measure that will pause on that note. The groove keeps happening, but it's going to last for an extra measure. So that's how that's going to work there. With song number 96, you'll see that fermata in the 3rd measure on the 3rd line. So just be aware of that. But otherwise, we're familiar with all these things, some tricky rhythms, trying to just sort of pick up what they sound like by playing along with me. You want to intuitively figure out how to play these songs using the tablature notation, which tells us where to put our fingers, but really just sort of intuitively figuring out the rest of the pieces of how to play those songs just by playing right along with me. So it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and jam together on these songs. Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this as we continue through this lesson series that goes with the Tablature Book. We got a lot more great songs to come that we get to play together. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.